Hey, first graders. Okay, today we are going to take the circle map that we did yesterday. Oh, my pen's falling down. Okay, the circle map that we did yesterday about which fruit we think is the best to eat. And we are going to be using some of our brainstorm ideas to do a pre-write and fill out the graphic organizer. Okay, so we're going to use it to fill out this page. Okay, so I'm going to use an example that someone else gave us. So I'm going to disappear here for a minute. And this is somebody's brainstorm of ideas on what makes guava such a tasty fruit. Is guava something you've ever tried before? Did you think it was tasty? Maybe you've never even heard of guava. It's not very common around here. Okay, but what are some of the ideas they came up with? I'm going to start down here by the picture. Their first idea was that it is refreshing to eat in the summer. They said that the seeds are edible, so that's nice. You don't have to worry about the seeds. It has a soft pulp, makes a tasty juice. It is sweet, has a tropical flavor, is juicy, healthy, and it reminds them of Hawaii. It's green skin, white or pink on the inside. They must like the colors. And it's good for making a jelly. Okay, well, they are going to pick 3 of these ideas to focus on. What's nice about something that they did here is because they did sweet and a tropical flavor, those are both things they noticed by using their taste, their sense of taste. And so they're able to combine those. So they can put those together as one idea. Okay, so if they take that idea into their graphic organizer, here in the topic sentence, we're going to put our topic or our focus fruit. The best fruit to eat is a guava. Okay, and then again, that first thing that I circled was ideas that they came up with about how it tastes. They said it tastes sweet and that it also has a tropical flavor. Well, those ideas, because they use the same sense, we can put them together in one reason. So the best fruit to eat is a guava, and one reason is it has a sweet, tropical flavor. Okay, so they were able to put those 2 ideas together in one sentence. Okay, now I'm going to put another sentence giving a reason why I think guava, or why this person thinks guava is such a good fruit. Okay, I'm going to focus on that it makes a tasty juice, because I don't know about you, but I definitely like to drink a tasty juice. So if this fruit makes a tasty juice, chances are I'm going to like it. Okay. So another reason we like guava is it makes a tasty juice. That's something you can do with it. Okay, another thing that I can do with it that makes it good is that it is good for making jelly. And again, jelly or jam is something I really enjoy. So that's something that I noticed about their ideas and that I'm going to focus. So I'm going to put that here. It is good for making jelly. Okay. Now notice that both of these ideas are things that I can do with the guava. Would it have worked for me to put those together just as I put the 2 things about how they taste together? Yes, I could have said that it makes a tasty juice and good jelly. I could have put those ideas together, but sometimes you may choose to leave them separate, and in this case I did. Okay, now do those have to be the reasons that you picked if you were helping this person write about their choice? No, maybe to you the thing that stood out was that it's healthy, or maybe you also liked the colors, or possibly you liked the idea that it took them away in their mind to Hawaii. Okay, but I want you to look at your list that you created and think, which 3 ideas do you have that you brainstormed yesterday about your fruit that stood out the most to you and are the most meaningful? And I want you to use those 3 ideas to write a sentence here on your graphic organizer. And then finally, for our conclusion, we repeat our focus. A guava is the tastiest fruit of all. Okay, so again, this was not something that had to be done a certain way. It just needs to take 3 of the ideas that you gave and put them together. And hopefully you'll pick things that stand out not only to you, but to your readers. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see what you wrote about. Have a good day.